Hi, I'm Salman.
Your father.
Yeah.
Kristen.
Mishal.
Fatma.
Oh no. Who wants to be a millionaire?
And it was about history and geography, and our group got history. We were the first ones to win the fastest finger first round, and there were 10 MCQs, out of which we answered 8. And the questions, we utilized the questions, and it was very helpful for the future.
The reason that we didn't win was we only used one lifeline. We should have used
And we were all confident.
Yeah.
We enjoyed it a lot, though it improves our skills a lot. And there should be these kind of games.
You did enjoy.
We understand the chapter easily and it is also fun.
Okay, did you use any lifeline so far?
We used 50-50.
That was only one.
Yes.
And 2 lifelines were left. Which were the 2 lifelines which you didn't use?
Calling a friend and ask the audience. And we didn't feel disappointed when we didn't lose because we got to play the game and we answered most of the questions right.
Plus we wasted time.
No, we didn't.
Okay, which activity you could have used out of the 2?
Sorry?
Which activity you could have used out of the 2?
Who wants to be a millionaire?
Nah, I'm sorry. Which lifeline you could have used out of the 2?
Ask the audience more.
Because we don't want to use the audience.
We would not want to waste anyone's credit.
No, it's
And
no.
then get the wrong answer. The audience would be the rest of the students and they would have their own opinions.
And they will also read the chapter.
And they would also have
I think, you know what, I think everybody was competing, so you had this doubt that if you're going to ask it from the student, those who are sitting there, they might end up giving you wrong answer. So that,
It is the wrong answer, so we lose.
but then when they will be opting for it, isn't it all about enjoying the game, not about winning? Remember the very first thing I told you about?
That's why we were disappointed when we lost.
The very first thing,
Most of them right.
the very first thing I remember I told you was that it's all about enjoying the procedure. Who wins, who does not. It's all about experiencing the same feeling that what if you are going to be, asked the questions the way they have been asked on TV, right? So any passing thought before I close the camera? Any passing thoughts, group?
In my views, I think the activity was one of the best activities we've done in this term.
But there
because-
can be any flaws, anything you think that could have been better if we would have executed in one way or the other.
In my opinion,
No, be
it
honest,
was
okay.
pretty good.
Be honest, be honest.
Before the other groups gave them the questions officially, in the PowerPoint screen you could see the answers of the first 2 questions.
Which questions?
जो पहले तो आते हैं. So that was kind of an unfair
And the
advantage.
answers were highlighted,
in
so
green, so they
They could tell if the answer was A.
that was an unfair advantage.
Okay, so they had this advantage over the other groups that they won 1 point than the other.
two.
Okay.
Two.
Okay. Any other thing?
And
There
we
should
tried.
be more activities like this in class 8 also because if they teach from the same way then
It would be
boring. That is why
interesting.
they should teach it through activities so we can understand the chapter. It will also be fun.
And
Activities, if we do these kind of activities, it won't be as
Easy to understand the chapter very easily.
Yeah,
It should
because
be on a larger scale. We will enjoy it more.
you mean larger scale as in having all the class
All
level
the class,
students?
yeah.
So the competition is not going to be scaled down only within the walls of your classroom. Huh?
Learning outcome भी ज़्यादा होगा.
Learning outcome will be more.
And all the sections can also have some
But there were
competition.
no, what I feel, Kristen and Haya, Mashal, Fateh and Salman, I have this passing thought that having this activity only limited me to make questions which had 1-word answers. So basically I'll be ending up making questions, or any teacher who makes an activity of that sort might end up making a question which can be answered only by choosing 1 word. So basically this might cover section A of your exam papers, even in your O-level examinations, where you have to do the multiple MCQs area. So yes, I can say that it's not all about having a reflective sort of approach towards the context of the book, but yes, it can least cover and develop interest. And if you are going to be reading thoroughly only for the competition, you might end up reading lines, reading between the lines. You might end up reading something or the other which actually you won't even know at that time. You don't even know that you are actually preparing for your exams also. You are just focusing on the basic areas, that okay, which area Babur has conquered, which year was it, but in the sidelines you do not know that what exactly you are learning and preparing. And you will discover only when you will come up with a question where you will realize that, you see, I don't even have to learn such thing, I already know that. What do you say?
yes.
See? So I hope that in the next year in class 8 that we end up making such activities for you, and you do make sure that you do take part, okay? Winning is not important, or is it?
No.
So we can always
Competition, yes.
what is it? Is it about a cup or a certificate or the clapping or the applause?
Being the one that knows the most. It's about being the one that
In other words, being
But
the
once you are,
and the certificate.
I mean, okay, once you are competing, everybody knows you. So is it the victory stand you need to stand on, or the
It's
procedure?
not about fame. It's just about being the one that knows the most, not
we can
being
say,
known the most.
Like being a nerd.
Huh?
No,
Being a
not
nerd.
nerd. Nerd is someone that doesn't bring any fun into their life. This is complete fun in an education.